In July it was our anniversary, and usually we'd give each other a watch, some kind of a special watch as an annual anniversary gift. But this year I asked Beth if I could give her a different present, one that I thought that she would like better. She's having a hard time video editing all the stuff for the Taylor Tribe channel. So I decided to build her a custom computer in an open air case with a whole custom water loop included and some fancy lighting and things inside. So I hope you guys enjoy. Lara helped me to do the build and also with the video editing for this video. So let's take it away. I bought a Thermaltake Core P1 for Beth, like an open air case with a tempered glass panel that sits on the front. But like industrial looking, but you can wall hang it, which is what I want. For Lara, I got a different case coming. That one's the Inwin 309. It's got some lights on the front, like 144 LED lights that you can program to anything. And that's the graphics card I bought for her. I got the same graphics card, 4GB version for Beth since she doesn't game. And that's for Lara, an AMD chip, B500 and the B450 Motor Max board. Some cable mods. This one's pretty cool. This is the Lee RGB strimmer acrylic that I'm gonna bend for a power supply shroud. Some paints because I'm gonna repaint the case to white. Water components. I've got cooler for the GPU, the CPU, like a full custom loop is what I'm gonna do. Got some bending stuff.
So, we're gonna work on something in the attic. And you guys probably already know what we're working on. But, yeah. Oh, the aircon is a bit noisy.
Right now we need to prep like all the surfaces for spray painting, which means that first we have to wet sand all the metal parts and then coat them with a primer.
So we're gonna take the thing apart, we're gonna disassemble it. And here's our spray paint. You have white, the primer, and silver gray. Now we're trying to figure out what we're gonna paint in white. So we're gonna paint this one white.
Yeah, that's a bracket for the
Power supply.
Although the power supply is black, so maybe, I don't know, I guess we'll just paint it white.
And I brought scissors to cut the sandpaper. We finished sanding the parts and now we're just wiping the ones that we've already finished, which is pretty much all of them. So it's our second day of trying to build mommy's computer case, and right now we're sanding this. What is it called? A radiator?
This is the radiator for the water cooling. We sanded everything but forgot the radiator.
So trying to fit like paper in this area here so that we don't paint it. We've already finished with the first coats on the top. Now we have to flip the pieces. It seems that we're running out of primer, so we might need more.
Come close, come close, arms around you. 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 Arms around you.
You ready for your anniversary gift?
Yes, very good.
There's an extra step.
Another one. Okay, final step.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, move forward.
When you're blindfold.
Wow. Taylor chat. What is this? It's a computer.
That's your new computer.
Wow.
This is the front, you're looking at it, but
Oh.
there's a glass panel that will sit on the front end.
Where's the glass? Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Oh, another thing, it's wall mountable, so you can. I already have the bracket,
Oh.
so it doesn't have to sit on your desk, but it can if you want. It's got some feet. Processor is a AMD 3700X. It's very fast, water cooled.
And I can edit the video.
You can edit. You have a very fast hard drive now.
Wow. I didn't think that a computer can have this